Welcome to Dress, Dine and Shine, where elegance meets indulgence. Today, we're making a no-bake dessert that tastes as beautiful as it looks, Rose Pistachio Dream Cups. Start with 1 cup of milk, warmed gently on the stove. Add a tablespoon of rose syrup for that delicate floral fragrance. Whisk in half a cup of condensed milk and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. Keep stirring until it thickens like a soft custard. Add crushed pistachios for a nutty crunch, about 2 tablespoons. They bring texture and a touch of royal flair. Layer crushed vanilla biscuits at the bottom of a glass. Pour the rose pistachio cream over it. Chill for 1 hour. Top with dried rose petals. A sprinkle of pistachios, or edible gold for that glam touch. Elegant, effortless, and unforgettable. Your Rose Pistachio Dream Cups are ready to shine. If you loved this aesthetic dessert, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for more beautiful bites, only on Dress, Dine, and Shine.